Hey, what's up everybody? Dustin here with Rocky Mountain ATV&MC, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the air filter on the Husqvarna 701 Enduro. Air filter maintenance is key to keeping your bike in great shape. Now, Husqvarna recommends that we are replacing the air filter every 6,200 miles. Now, it's not a bad idea to keep an eye on your air filter and inspect it before every major ride. So today we're going to show you how to check and replace the air filter on a 2017 Husqvarna 701 Enduro. Now, keep in mind that these same exact steps can also be applied to the 701 Supermoto. To do this job, we're just going to need some basic hand tools, a replacement air filter, contact cleaner, rubber gloves, and safety glasses. We carry OEM and aftermarket filters for the 701 on our website, so make sure to check those out. And as always, before performing any service on your machine, be sure to reference your bike's service manual for safety information, proper procedures, and torque specs. To begin, start by removing the seat. As you can see, we have an aftermarket seat on this bike, but if you still have the OEM seat, on both sides of the front of the seat, there will be two push rivets that you will need to pop out. Next, we can remove the two airbox screws. Then remove the upper part of the air filter box. Remove the air filter. Clean the air filter box and make sure that it is free of any dirt or debris. Place the new air filter into the airbox. Reinstall the airbox lid. The air filter must lie flush against the air filter box along the entire sealing surface. If the air filter is not mounted correctly, dust and dirt may enter the engine and result in damage. Then mount and tighten the screws to 1.5 foot-pounds. Lastly, reinstall the seat. And that's it. Replacing the air filter on the 701 is pretty quick and easy and will definitely help you to keep your bike in good shape. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to hit the like button, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product spotlights, how-tos, and top 5s. I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching and keep the wrenches turning.